today we'll be discussing a very important session on polity, constitution and governance. They have asked many questions from here. You won't believe, but a huge chunk of questions have been asked from here: constitution, polity and governance. See the previous year question of TISSNET and you will realize a lot of questions are from here. So that is why I have made a separate session for that. So let's start with the question answer. I'll be giving you questions. You are supposed to answer it. And then if required, I will be explaining a little bit. So am I audible, guys? If am I audible, just write in the comments in both YouTube and app that yes, sir, you're audible, so that we can start our session. How many fundamental rights are there in India? Your options are 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the right answer to this question? Please answer it. Yes, government schemes will be coming for that also, Naman. Yes. So how many fundamental rights are there? Yes, very good. Abhishek, Anshul, Pooja, Jonty, Akash, Ashwarya, you all right. The right answer is option C. 6 fundamental rights are there in India. Okay. Now, the next one is, there's another question. Yes, 6 fundamental right is the right answer. C is the right answer. Naman, Alauddin, Saini, a lot of people have answered. Now, the next question is, how many fundamental rights were there in India at the time of making of Constitution? It means I'm talking about when the Constitution was fully enforced, 26 January 1950. How many fundamental rights were there? 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it the same or there were some changes that had happened? कुछ change हुआ था, कुछ आपको ये बताना है कि change हुआ था कि नहीं, yes or no. So 4, 5, 6, 7 waiting. Yes, very good. Srishti, Ayush, Radhika, Naman, Pooja, Alauddin, a lot of people have answered. Muskan, sorry, you all right. D is the right answer to this question. So there were originally 7 fundamental rights and 1 got excluded, and now we are having right now 6 fundamental rights. ठीक है, एक हटा दिया गया, 7 फंडामेंटल राइट मौलिक अधिकार था, एक को बाद में हटा दिया गया और अब हमारे पास 6 मौलिक अधिकार. Right now we are having 6 fundamental rights because 1 was removed later on. Later on means after Constitution was made. Now, which of the following fundamental rights ceases to be a fundamental right? I mean, which of the following actually has been removed from the section of fundamental rights? That is what I'm asking. Right to life, right to property, right to freedom of religion, right to marry a person of your choice. What is the right answer? Yes, very good, Srishti. Om Kare, Abhishek, Vaman, a lot of people have answered it. Yes, Vaman Rathod, Srishti, Radhika. Yes, Article 300, capital A. Yes, Ayush Sharma, it's not small a, it's capital A. Okay. Yes, right to life is a fundamental right under Article 21. Right to property was mentioned in Article 19(1)(f) and Article 31 of Indian Constitution. It was mentioned, now it has been removed. Okay. So B is the right answer. Right to freedom of religion you will find in under Article 25. Okay, can anyone tell me about option D? Right to marry a person of your choice is also a fundamental right under Article 21. इसी के अंदर आता है. So right to marry a person of your choice comes under right to life, Article 21. This is what Supreme Court said in Hadia case. ठीक है. So right to marry a person of your choice is also a fundamental right. You should be knowing it. So the right answer here is B. Now it has been removed from Article 19(1)(f) and Article 300. Now it is actually under Article 300 capital A. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can see it here. Right to marry a person of one's choice is an integral part of right to life and liberty, which is actually Article 21. Supreme Court on Hadia case. काफी मशहूर हुआ था 2018 में. Hadia case became very famous. Yes. नहीं नमन, important ones जैसे right to life वगैरह का famous होता है तो इसीलिए मैंने बता दिया. Sometimes they can ask the famous articles. So which constitutional amendment removed right to property from being a fundamental right? So it removed from Article 19(1)(f) and 31 and it was put under Article 300 capital A. So which constitutional amendment did this? सबको like button press कर दो. Everyone please press the like button. सबको like button press कर दो guys. Yes. The right answer is actually 44th amendment. In which year it was passed? And who was the government? I mean, which party's government was there? Yes, 44th Constitutional Amendment 1978. So B is the right answer. Srishti, Vaman, Palak, Alauddin, Haq, Pooja, you are right. Under Janata Party government. So Janata Party was at that time in power. So B is the right answer. Yes, Alauddin, yes, you all are right. Okay. Yes, these are the 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, rights against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and education rights, right to constitutional remedies. Okay. There's one question: under which part of Indian Constitution fundamental rights are mentioned? Kahan mentioned hai? Anyone? Which part? Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a question. Please answer it. Which part? One more thing आपको पता होना चाहिए. A right to a fundamental right is also called as Magna Carta of India. These are the terms sometimes being mentioned in exam. Magna Carta of India. It is mentioned in which part? So yes, Pranjul is right. Part 3 of Indian Constitution. Yes, Ayush, Alauddin, Anukriti, Gorbi, Ayush, you all are right. Part 3 of Indian Constitution talks about this. Okay. Now let's talk about another one. This actually became very famous in 2017. Right to privacy was declared as fundamental rights by Supreme Court under which article of the Constitution by Supreme Court of India? So the name of the case, please remember it. K.S. Puttaswamy case. K.S. Puttaswamy case. In this case, right to privacy was declared as fundamental right. Okay, under which article? Yes, Srishti Vaidya has answered. Shubh, Jain, Palak, Gupta, Abhishek, Gauravi, Sajnani, Pranjul, Sonal, you all are right. Article 21 talks about right to life. This has been expanded a lot. So Supreme Court said right to life also means right to marry a person of your choice. Right to life also means right to privacy. So these all are actually derived from Article 21. So D is the right answer to this question. Sabko like button press kar do. Everyone, please press the like button. And 21 protection of life and personal liberty. Usi mein se aata hai. Right to privacy. The next one is, which of the following fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during emergency? Article 19, 21, 20 and 21, 21 and 22, 22 and 24. कौन सा fundamental right emergency में भी suspend नहीं किया जा सकता है? What is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाना. Everyone, please press the like button. I will show these types of questions have been asked in TISSNET, so I will be showing you some previous year question as well. Yes. The right answer is Article 20 and 21. So this was added, this concept was added by 44th Constitutional Amendment 1978. ये बाद में add किया गया था. ठीक है. So 20 and 21 cannot be suspended in any case. Please be aware of it because these are very, very important facts. ठीक है. So B is the right answer. Yes, Radhika, Lauddin, Vaman, Srishti, Naman, you all are right. B is the right answer to this question. The next is, this is very, very, very important. I have seen at least 2 to 3 times being asked repeatedly in TISSNET exam. इसको बार-बार repeat करके पूछा गया है. And that is why I focus on previous year question. आप बोलते हो ना सर कि previous year question क्यों पढ़ाते हो? Because sometimes it repeats and I have seen 2-3 times this question being asked. Vishakha guidelines is a set of guidelines laid down by Supreme Court of India related with what? Domestic violence, manual scavenging, transgender concerns, sexual harassment at workplace. Yes, Radhika, Pranjul, Athav, Sonal, Anukriti, Srishti, Om, Palak, you all are right. Sexual harassment at workplace is the right answer to this question. Now, why this is important? Now you will be thinking why this is being asked in exam. Of course, when you, after doing MBA, you will go to any company, whether a private company or public company. So there is an internal complaint committee that is being set up in every committee. So you will be informed about it. These are the internal complaint committee. Let me explain what exactly it is. Okay. Yes, Sarthak, I am slow today. So Vishakha guidelines actually was passed by Supreme Court, in 1997. This was as a result of a very cruel incidents of Bhamare Devi case. And after this, Supreme Court passed an order regarding this, that is sexual harassment at workplace. Okay, now after this the Parliament of India made this law, special law. This is also in short called as POSH, Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplace Law. ठीक है, इसका नाम भी Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition, Redressal Act 2013 was passed. It is also called as POSH. and under it actually ICC is set up. That is what you have to understand. देखो होता क्या है, so whenever you join any private or a government company after doing MBA, so you will join a company, so you will get you will be informed about each and everything. At the same time, you will be informed about this internal complaint committee. So it means if someone is doing a sexual harassment against a female employee, she can actually approach this committee. It is also in private institution, private company, and as well as in government company. And there are a lot of guidelines related with that. For example, Supreme Court said that more than half of the members should be female. So for example, there are 10 members. So at least 6 should be female. Then there should be a posh counselor. So these are, psychologists are also there and all. So just have an idea about it. So this is very, very important, star market, because this has been asked multiple times. Vishakha guidelines in exam. Yes, just have an idea. The next one is it's related with Minimum Wages Act was enacted first in the year 1948, 56, 60, 62. This is also a previous year question of TISSNET. Please answer it. What is the right answer to this question? क्या सही जवाब है? Please reply. Is there any kind of material available, Vishwa? Yes, you will find it in Lucent books and all maybe. But I have searched, I have worked very hard to find out these contents. You will not find in one particular book. I have searched the previous year question, the books and all. So please watch my session again and again, and you can watch it in 2x speed for the next time and all. Yes. The right answer is 1948. So A is the right answer. Naman, Srishti, Anukriti, you all are right. There's a request. Everyone please press the like button. Sabko like button press karte jana. ठीक है? Yes, 1948. So Minimum Wages Act 1948 was passed in Parliament to ensure that even the minimum wages should be given to everyone, है ना? Laborers and all. Now the next one is, this was also asked in exam, which of the following is not embodied in the preamble of India? Liberty of thought, liberty of movement, liberty of belief, liberty of expression. It means they expect you to read the preamble, the key words of preamble you are supposed to remember. That is why it means they can ask it again if they have asked once. कौन सा वाला liberty mentioned नहीं है preamble में? Yes. Yes, Athar, very good. Liberty of movement concept नहीं, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, ये लिखा हुआ है. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. I'll show you, just wait. So this is actually the, है ना, यहाँ लिखा हुआ, we the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Triple SDR. This keyword is mentioned. Then justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. This is mentioned, right? और liberty की बात कर रहे हैं ना, कौन सा वाला liberty mentioned है? देखो. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship is mentioned. There is no concept of liberty of movement mentioned. Okay? So it means they are actually expecting you to know the keywords. So you should be reading this. Please, after the class is over, stop the video and read it at least 2 to 3 times. 2-3 बार इसको पढ़ के जाइएगा. They can ask from here, of course, as well. Okay? Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Which of the following words were present originally in the preamble? Actually, some words were added later on, but out of these 4, one was originally present. Originally means it was present when preamble was made on 26 January 1950, when it was actually fully implemented. So you have to tell me actually which of them were originally present. These 3 new words were actually added later on. So what is the right answer? कौन सा वर्ड शुरू से मेंशन था, बाद में नहीं ऐड किया गया? Yes, सोनल, राधिका, Sucheta, Naman, Sargam. Yes, the right answer actually is A. Sovereign word was originally mentioned. Socialist, secular, integrity. These 3 words were added later on. बाद में ऐड किया गया. ठीक है? So please be aware of it. Yes. So these are the 3 words which actually were not present originally: socialist, secular, and integrity. Now the question is, in which constitutional amendment these 3 words were added? 42nd, 44th, 73rd, 91st. What is the right answer? Socialist, secular and integrity word बाद में ऐड किया गया. कब ऐड किया गया? Akshita, I have tried my best to cover maximum thing. I cannot, 100% guarantee because I have not made the question, but yes, I have tried my best to cover most of the portion. Okay. If you have time, you can go for the Lucent Polity section, Lucent book, the Polity section. The right answer is 42nd Amendment 1976. So A is the right answer to this question. Yes. 42nd Amendment 1976, it happened during Indira Gandhi time. It added these three words: socialist, secular, and integrity. Please be aware of it because these are important facts. Okay. The next one is, which of the following constitutional amendment is called as पूरा नहीं लिख पाया, mini constitution? 42nd Amendment, 44th, 73rd, 91st. What is the right answer to this question? सबको like button press कर देना. Yes, Naman, very good. So people are aware of this. Yes, Simran, Jaiswal, Srishti, Radhika. Okay, what is the right answer? Yes, 42nd Amendment 1976 done by Indira Gandhi. Actually, a lot of changes had happened. That is why it is called as mini constitution. पूरा constitution का बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा change कर दिया गया. So just be aware of it. A is the right answer to this question. Yes. Lengthiest and all right. Okay. The next one is, which of the following date is mentioned in the preamble of India? 26 January 1950, 26 November 1949, 15 August 1947, 4th July 1776. कौन सा डेट प्रियम्बल में मेंशन पाया जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा? Okay, welcome Sonal Mishra. Yes, keep on watching. And yes, there is a request. Everyone, please press the like button. We have worked very hard to come up with these sessions. तो एक बार like button तो बनता है ना? Yes, the right answer. Yes, Srishti, Sumit, Vipasha Gupta, Sonal, you are right. 26 November 1949. So you can see it here. This is the date mentioned. So, okay, so this is the Republic Day, first Republic Day. On this day, we got independence. Anna. Can anyone tell me why is this date famous? 4th July 1776. What was so special thing that happened? Actually, this is US Independence Day. 4th July 1776. So just have an idea about it. Okay, yes, the next one is, who has the power to either summon or prorogue the parliament? This is a previous year question of TISSNET. ठीक है, ये भी previous year question है. Who has the power to either summon, यानी parliament को जो बुलाते हैं या parliament के session complete करते हैं, so prorogue means end the session of parliament. Who is responsible for that? Yes. Yes, 4th July का तो बहुत सारे लोग जानते हैं, US independence. Yes. So who will do it? I mean, apply the logic and reach to the conclusion. Yes, it's the President of India. A is the right answer. Yes. A lot of people, I cannot take everyone's name. So many people are right. So A is the right answer to this question. Okay, so this is Lok Sabha and this is Rajya Sabha. These all are summoned by the President of India. Okay. Now, this is a previous year question of TISSNET. Who is the current Speaker of Lok Sabha? So at that time it was asked. Still it can be asked. Your options are Mr. Anurag Thakur, Mr. Om Birla, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. What is the right answer? सब कोई like button press करते जाना साथ में. Everyone please press the like button. सब कोई like button press करते जाओ. Current Speaker of Lok Sabha. Yes, the right answer is Om Birla. Yes, Radhika, Vipasha, Gauravi, Sargam. Yes, you are right. B is the right answer to this question. So he is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Yes, जैसे यहाँ पे आपने देखा होगा, यहाँ पे जो बीच में बैठते हैं ना, so the person who is sitting here in the middle, I mean यहाँ पे. So here, so he is Mr. Om Birla, the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Okay, the next one is, who is considered as ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Your options are President of India, Vice President of India, Prime Minister of India, Chief Justice of India. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है बताइए. सबको लाइक बटन प्रेस करते जाओ. एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा किसको कहते हैं? What is the right answer? Yes, Manish Kumari, Anaswara, Ayush, Gauravi, you are right. Vice President of India is called as ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. It means whosoever is Vice President will automatically become the chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay. So now the question is, who is the current Vice President of India? Mr. Anurag Thakur, Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, Mr. Kiran Rijiju. What is the right answer? Vice President of India अभी कौन है इंडिया के? Yes, very good. Naman has answered it. Yes, Naman, very good. Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar is a former governor of Bengal and he is the new Vice President of India. Yes, Rishika Singh and Shubh Jain, Jaiswal and all. Yes, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, he is the Vice President of India and he sits in the middle यहाँ पे because he is the chairman of Rajya Sabha. So he sits like this, है ना? So red carpet actually Rajya Sabha ke liye, green carpet is of Lok Sabha. So just have an idea about it. Okay, before that, there's a small announcement. We are running a CAT 2023 comprehensive program, 300 plus engaging videos, 135 plus live sessions, 75 plus mock test, 10,000 plus practice question will be provided. If you have query, call on this number 9538139666 पे call कर लीजिए. And yes, this is on 21st February at 7 PM. We'll be having this session. We had done it, so you can watch the recorded videos on our app, BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Okay. And yes, as we all know, from 19th February till 23rd, I mean till Thursday at 9:30 PM, I will be running this series for GK. So please subscribe to our channel. नीचे channel का में subscribe का button है. Everyone please subscribe to it and press the like button. ठीक है, सबको channel को subscribe कर देना. Then yes, this is a series which we are running at 8 PM. Last lap to TISSNET on the same YouTube channel. Keep on following it. ठीक है. So the next question is this: which of the following is correct regarding EWS reservation? Your options are: it is giving 10% reservation. It is only for those who are not a part of reservation under SC, ST, OBC. It was upheld by the Supreme Court of India. All of the above. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? EWS समझते हो ना? Economically weaker section. Yes. Very good. There's 10% reservation. It is not for SC, ST, OBC. It is for those who are actually economically weaker in general category. Yes. So that is also correct. Upheld matlab declared right by Supreme Court. So it was challenged in Supreme Court and it was upheld by Supreme Court. Supreme Court said it is fine. So now the right answer is D. Okay. Yes, Tanya, Sujata, Alauddin, you all are right. D is the right answer to this question. In a majority, actually 3:2 judgment hua tha. So 3 favored it. So the majority works. So the Supreme Court upheld it. Upholds matlab declare it to be valid. Which of the following is correct regarding constitutional amendment which deals with EWS? So 2019 when this constitutional amendment was done. So it is what? 101st, 102nd, 103rd, 104. What is the right answer? कौन सा amendment था ये? सबको like button press करते जाओ everyone. Yes, Om Kini has answered it. Very good. Shubh Jain is also right. Very good. So it was 103rd constitutional amendment done, I think, in January 2019. So C is the right answer to this question. Yes, Sonal, Anukriti, Ayush, Pranjul, you all are right. Okay. So you can read it here. यहाँ पे लिखा भी 103rd constitutional amendment upheld by Supreme Court 3:2. Upheld का मतलब होता है सही करार देना. So it was declared as valid by the Supreme Court. Okay. The next is: who among the following was the first to get Bharat Ratna, highest civilian award in India? There's a C. Rajagopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, C.V. Raman, all of the above. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? Please answer it. I'm waiting for the answers. Bharat Ratna is India's highest civilian award. Yes, Srishti Vaidya, you are right. One was GST. Right, हाँ. आपने सही जवाब दिया. This was actually related with GST. इसका आंसर ये है. Actually, yes, the right answer is D. All of the above is right. ठीक है. All the three got C. Rajagopalachari, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, C. Raman, both were the winners of the first Bharat Ratna at one time. All the three have got. So D is the right answer. ठीक है. So याद रखिएगा because they have asked questions from Bharat Ratna. ठीक है. इस तरह क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा है. So D is the right answer. Just have an idea. ठीक है. C. Rajagopalachari, the first Vice President of India, S. Radhakrishnan, and C.V. Raman. I hope you are aware his birthday is on 5th September and we do celebrate it as Teachers Day. When in a school we used to take gift for teacher. याद होगा? I hope so that you remember Teachers Day. है ना? So I guess. है ना? Okay. The next is: who among the following is the youngest receiver of Bharat Ratna? Rahul Dravid, S. Radhakrishnan, Mother Teresa, Sachin Tendulkar. What is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाना. Youngest receiver of Bharat Ratna. You can apply the logic as well. Sasri, no need to make notes. You just watch it 2-3 times. After the class is over, you can watch my video at 2x speed or 1.5x speed. I won't recommend to make notes. You don't have time, huh? Yes, Sachin Tendulkar, right? The right answer is D. Rahul Dravid has not got, actually. So these two have also got, but the youngest is Sachin. D is the right answer. Very good, huh? Ritika, Neha, Tanya, Naman, you all are right. Now, this question was actually asked in TISSNET. Which of the following is the first non-Indian receiver of Bharat Ratna? Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King Jr., Mother Teresa, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Non-Indian means he was not an Indian citizen, but still he got. Last with I think Pranab Mukherjee, and there were one more people. I think Nanaji Deshmukh. And there was one more. 3 people in 2019 was the last. Yes, so the first non-Indian to get actually Bharat Ratna was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. He is famously called as Frontier Gandhi. Okay. So we have actually given to only 2 non-Indians, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan and Nelson Mandela. So these are the 2 non-Indians who have got these awards. Okay. But Mother Teresa, you will be saying, so she got an Indian citizenship. Okay. Although she was born in Skopje, which in today you will find in North Macedonia. Okay, North Macedonia. Okay. And you can say earlier it was called as Yugoslavia, but he got an Indian citizenship. So that is why I'll be saying that Nelson Mandela and Khan Abdul Ghaffar were 2 non-Indians who got Bharat Ratna. Okay. And the first they are asking, so it is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Is it clear? You can see it, read it. The next one is, who among the following is the first female receiver of Bharat Ratna? Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. What is the right answer? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan Afghan के citizen थे, I think Pakistan के citizen थे. Please check it. He was from I think he not Bangladesh. First female receiver of Bharat Ratna actually is the Indira Gandhi. Yes, it's not Mother Teresa. So these 2 have not got, actually these 2 have got the Bharat Ratna, and Indira Gandhi is the right answer. So B is the right answer. I think they don't have, A and D have not got. Please check it, but as far as I remember. So yes, so it was Indira Gandhi who got, and Mother Teresa was got, I think, in 1990s. So just have an idea. Okay, now this question was asked, and it's a quite interesting question. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution was termed as heart and soul of Indian Constitution by Bhimrao Ambedkar? What is the right answer? Quite famous because it is asked in multiple exams. Article 14, 32, 44, 21. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? सबको like button press करते जाना. Everyone please press the like button. The right answer is B. Manisha, Yush, you all are right. Article 32 talks about actually right to constitutional remedy. We can say to protect fundamental right. Yes, B is the right answer. Under this, Supreme Court has power to issue writs. So B is the right answer. Yes, Vrinda, Naman, you all are right. The next is, which of the following is not a characteristics of totalitarian society? And these are options: indoctrination, propaganda, freedom of movement for citizens, one-party rule, centralized planning economy. Totalitarian state, you understand, it is a one step even ahead of authoritarian state. Authoritarian se bhi powerful means. The examples in modern day can be, you can say, Germany under Hitler. So that was considered as totalitarian state. Complete control of the government. Of course, the complete control of the freedom की कहाँ से बात हो गई? Okay, so B is the right answer to this question. ठीक है? Yes, Radhika, Srishti, Manisha, you all are right. हाँ. Fascism, Nazism, yes, author right. हाँ. B is the right answer to this question. This is who is the current chairman of NHRC? They have asked it, but again I'm asking it. National Human Rights Commission के who is the current chairman? Justice Syed Abdul Nazir, Justice Ranjan Gogoi, Justice S. Muralidhar, Justice Arun Kumar Mishra. What is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाओ. Everyone, please press the like button, guys. Chairman of NHRC is yes, Shubh Jain. Anyone else? कोई और बताओ यार. Sargam Neha, Srishti Vaidya, Shubh Jain. Yes, Justice A.K. Mishra, Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, a former judge of Supreme Court, is the chairman of National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. Okay, D is the right answer. Yes, Srishti, you all right. The next is, this is star market. Star mark this. Recently, I think 13 tour new governor and 1 lieutenant governor has been appointed. One actually became very famous, and a former retired judge of Supreme Court has been appointed as the governor of Andhra Pradesh. So he retired in January and he was appointed as a governor in February. So that is why it was very much in the news and all. So what is his name? Justice Syed Abdul Nazir, Justice Ranjan Gogoi, Justice S. Muralidhar, Justice Deepak Mishra. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? Waiting, this is important. इसको star लगा लीजिएगा. If you do not know it, please star mark it. Yes, Laharia, Muskan. Very few right answer. I am shocked to see this. Ayan, yes. Justice Syed Abdul Nazir, S. Abdul Nazir, actually. A lot of criticism happened from opposition side. आप लोग नहीं follow करते हो क्या? Ayan, yes, A is the right answer. Governor post for Supreme Court ex-judge who was on Ayodhya bench. So he was actually in very important cases, past judgments related with triple talaq, Ayodhya Babri judgment, then demonetization. And he retired in January, and in February he was appointed as Andhra Pradesh governor. So that is why a lot of criticism also. I mean, there are a lot of criticism from opposition side. So A is the right answer. Okay, now this is the next question. If an MP or MLA getting elected, after getting elected, moves to another party, that is called as what? Disqualification, defection, dismemberment, dissolution. What is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाओ. Everyone please press the like button. क्या कहते हैं इसको जनाब बताइए. If an MP, let's say you fought an election with X party and after that you move to another party, so that is called as defection. This is generally considered as very unethical, है ना. So B is the right answer to this question. जिसको हिंदी में लोग कहते हैं दल बदल, है ना. So B is the right answer. Yes. Sumit, Aman, Yadav, Srishti, Alauddin, happy, all right. The next is Supreme Court issues writ under which of the following articles of Indian Constitution? 21, 32, 41, 44. अभी मैंने थोड़ा देर पहले बताया. Yes, there is anti-defection law also. Anti-defection law is mentioned in 10th schedule of Indian Constitution. Yes, yes, IRM, GRM, it is mentioned in political science book. Yes, Srishti Vaidya, very good. Horse trading, defection. Writ petition 32. I have told you heart and soul of Indian Constitution. ये से तो आता है. ठीक है. Okay. अच्छा, I am giving some homework. After the class is over, read about 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. ये पढ़ लीजिएगा. 8th schedule, there are 22 languages. 22 languages here. इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा थोड़ा. And 10th schedule. These 3 schedule of Indian Constitution, after the class is over, read about it on Google. ठीक है. इसको पढ़िएगा इन तीनों को. ठीक है. 7th schedule, what it talks about union list, state list, concurrent list. 8th schedule, read it, and 10th schedule. Go and read it. Yes, Aman Yadav, very good. You have answered all the 5 writs. So this was actually asked in exam. What is the, this is a previous year question. TISSNET has asked this question. Okay. So let me explain. Habeas corpus means to have a body of. This is the meaning. To have a body of. Present the, to produce a person. This habeas corpus petition is being writ petition. Mandamus is we command, we order. So this was asked in TISSNET. Prohibition का मतलब जानते हो, रोक लगाना, है ना. Certiorari actually to be informed of what is going on. ठीक है. क्यों वारंटो तब इशू किया जाता है when actually there is actually a public authority, a government official does not fulfill the eligibility and has become and has got that post. So in that case, quo warranto petition is filed. तो पता होना चाहिए. Please go and read these 5 because they have asked from here. यहाँ से पूछा है तो बाकी 4 भी पूछ सकते हैं. Habeas corpus, of course, this is very very important. Go and read about it. हाँ, quo warranto, what authority, right? हाँ. Yes, 2019 Lok Sabha election was dash election. 17, 16, 15, 14. कौन सा था? What is the right answer? हाँ, certiorari quota certificate. Very good, Aman Yadav. You all are aware of these. So please go and read those 5 writs. So it was actually 17th Lok Sabha election. And next year, 2024, we'll be having 18th Lok Sabha election. So the right answer is A. Yes, Srishti, Naman, Sonal, you all right, is right. The next is which of the following union territory are with legislatures? ये भी पूछा हुआ है. Means where there is legislative assembly. Legislative assembly means you will find the chief ministers there, or the chief minister's election happening. These are your options. Quite interesting. कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको? देखो, in Ladakh, in Delhi, do we have chief minister? Yes, we have. In Pondicherry, the chief minister is there. Yes, it is there. In Daman and Diu, there is no chief minister. In Ladakh, there is no chief minister. In Chandigarh, there is no chief minister. In Jammu and Kashmir, there is a plan actually. The government has said that there will be a legislature and there will be election. So A is the right answer. Although right now we do not have, but A is the right answer. Okay. So when it was carved out, so Jammu Kashmir will be having a chief minister, but in Ladakh there will not be any election. So there will be lieutenant governor only. Okay. Daman and Diu have been merged with Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Srishti Vaidya. ठीक है, हाँ. It is a union territory. हाँ. Now there's the next question. How many states and union territories are there in India? This is a tricky question because I guess many people will not be able to answer this question correctly. कितने states और union territory हैं इंडिया में? Waiting for it. Yes, Manisha Kumari, Radhika, Kadolkar, you all are right. Naman, Anukriti, you all right. 28 states and 8 union territory. So 7th are 2 were added, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, but -1 was subtracted because Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli got merged. Okay. So now we are having 8 states and 8 union territory and 28 states. Go and find out about it. इसको पढ़िएगा because these are very important. बहुत कम लोगों को पता होगा. ठीक है. So just have an idea. Everyone please press the like button. How many sessions are there in parliament? इस तरह क्वेश्चन आ चुका है TISSNET PYQ में. 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar question was asked, not exactly this. कि कितने सेशंस होते हैं जनरली पार्लियामेंट में? इन जनरल 2, 3, 4, 5 कितने होते हैं? How many sessions are there? Yes. I have got Shubh, Srishti, Sumit, Ayush, Sangi, you all right. B is the right answer. There are 3 sessions. Pooja, Srishti, Anukriti, you all right. 3 is the right answer to this question. Now, which of the following is not a session of Lok Sabha? Your options are monsoon session, winter session, budget session, summer session. ये क्वेश्चन आया था actually. Lok Sabha कह लो या Raj Sabha, or you can say instead of it parliament is mentioned. So there are 3 sessions. One of them is not a session actually. ठीक है. Srishti, yes, you are right. 2 is mandatory, but generally we have 3 sessions. The constitution says there should not be a maximum of 6 months gap. So ideally we can have 2, but generally in practice we are having 3 sessions. देखो सबसे पहले होता है budget session. It happens in February. ठीक है. Then monsoon session generally happens in July, August. ठीक है. And then the winter session happens in November, December. There is no summer session. ठीक है. So not पूछ रहे, so D is the right answer. Not they are asking. ठीक है. You must be aware of it. D is the right answer. Now, some more questions. Mr. Keshari Nath Tripathi was the former governor of which state? He died in January. Kerala, UP, West Bengal, Maharashtra. What is the right answer? सबको like button press करते जाओ. Everyone please press the like button, guys. I'm waiting for the answers. Yes. Keshari Nath Tripathi, he was the former governor of West Bengal. So C is the right answer. Sonal Mishra, Naman, you all are right. Adrika, Ashwarya, yes. So he died, recently, and he was governor from 2014 to 2019. He was from Uttar Pradesh, so I think he was he held many posts in UP as well. So he held many posts in UP as well. So C is the right answer. The next is who appoints and removes governor of a state? So there was a question asked in ZAT. Governor, who among the following is appointed? So the answer was governor. This was the question. So who appoints and removes the governor? Because recently a lot of governors is in the news. President, Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, 5-judge bench of Supreme Court. Who appoints the governor? Governor को कौन appoint करते हैं? And remove भी वही करते हैं. So the right answer is President of India. Who is the President of India? Draupadi Murmu, right? So A is the right answer. Yes, a lot of people have answered. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आंसर किया. A is the right answer. Recently in February, actually 12 states and 1 union territory gets new governor. It was in the news, so that is why you should be knowing it. And one of them was actually Justice Syed Abdul Nazir, Andhra Pradesh governor, and he is actually retired recently as a judge of Supreme Court, so that is why he was very much in the news. The next is Shanti Bhushan, recently passed away. He was a former Law Minister of India, former Chief Justice of India, former Vice President of India, former Governor of UP. What is the right answer? क्या सही जवाब है? Recently शांति भूषण का डेथ हो गया. फॉर्मर क्या थे आपको बताना है. So he was actually a former law minister and a lawyer as well. So A is the right answer. During Janata Party, I think time है ना. Sangeeta, Sonal, Aman, Radhika, Vipasha, you all right है ना. जब जनता पार्टी government थी, so he was actually he fought in during emergency and all. And his son is actually a very famous Supreme Court lawyer. His name is Prashant Bhushan. You must have heard his name if you read the newspaper and all. So the right answer is A is the right answer to this question. Yes, Alauddin Dahari, you all are right. So this is all about today's class. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and download the BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Now I'll be meeting you tomorrow at 9:30 p.m. again. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Please press the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.